Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I did another green look. Go figure, I absolutely love green eyeshadow makeup looks and I cannot help myself. This is another green look and I love how it turned out. It's very beautiful. It's using the BhCosmetics Emerald eyeshadow palette and this is look number 3. Yes, and isn't that a beautiful purple polish as well? It's from Sally Hansen. It's so beautiful. I primed my eyes with the WetnWild eyeshadow primer, and I have powder to catch fallout because there is fallout with these eyeshadows. They're beautiful, but they have some powdery kickback and fallout. So I'm taking Restless on a more tapered, fluffy crease brush, and I'm just kind of like going to pat this in the crease to build up the shade, because sweeping it sometimes the eyeshadow will get caught on the primer and kind of like stick and be patchy, or it will just have fallout everywhere. And I'm taking Total Package and I'm just going to be applying this on the lid and just with a flat shader brush. And this is a fairly easy look. And I'm going to spritz my brush now with the AOA Studio setting spray to liven this eyeshadow up some more. If it weren't already pigmented enough, this is really going to give it that wow, in your face, spotlighty, metallic finish to it. So this is called Hard Worker, and this is going in my outer corner on the same flat shader brush just to deepen up that outer corner. I told you this look is very easy and simple, and I love this little palette. I've used this palette so much. You've seen 3 looks using this palette, but I've used it so much more than that. And it is so pretty. I will probably try to put out some more looks using this palette as well for you guys. Seeing as that some of you might own this too because you're Tauruses, or some of you might own this because you love the color story. I absolutely love this color story. And I've said this in the last few videos that I've done with this palette. I love that Restless shade. Right now I'm just talking through this blending process, but in Silent Hill 2 there is a passage, you know, in my restless dreams I see that town, you promised you'd take me there one day but you never did. It's somewhere along the lines of that. I absolutely love Silent Hill, if you didn't know, and I just love this palette. That there's a shade in it called Restless, and it's a emerald palette for my birthstone, and yeah, I love it. So you'll see me go back there, go through and highlight, blend some. I'm doing my wing eyeliner. This is the Loreal liquid eyeliner. I think it's the Linear Intense eyeliner. And I'm just doing a quick wing. And I'm not completely happy with this wing. I'm hardly ever happy with my wings. But it is what it is. And we're going to go with it. I'm just going to wing it. And I'm going to tightline with my LaColors gel eyeliner in Midnight Black, and I'm using the Wet n Wild brow highlighter in the waterline. So I'm going to have a bright open eye instead of being closed off, and I love having wings and not doing anything to the lower lash line. I just love that. And this is Believe Beauty's Extend Mascara, and I'm using Revlon's Galaxy Dream palette. I don't know if this is available anymore, but this is a duochrome white to green shade in here, which you can find in many other palettes, and I'm just applying that in the inner corner. And for lips, I'm using the Maybelline Nude Lust lipstick and LaColors Heavenly lip gloss in their holographic iridescent line. So I love this lip combination. I love how this look turned out, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Stay tuned for more looks using this palette, as well as many other looks to come. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check the description box for additional links as well as a product list. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Thank you so very much for watching.